Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I had quite a few requests to make sofrito. I made sofrito quite a while ago, and I guess others didn't see it. So let me show you how to make sofrito again. Sofrito is good for everything you can think of. You can put it in your eggs, you can put it in soup, salad, on meat, endless. And what it is cilantro, onions, peppers. Usually you use green peppers, but I'm using red peppers today because red peppers have the what we need to fight the sickness that's going on nationwide. Okay? And I'm missing an item. One second. Okay, I was missing garlic. I knew I was missing something. So we have garlic. I bought the kind that's already peeled. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, and I have red peppers. This is 6 red peppers cut up. Or you can use green peppers. Normally it's green peppers, just so you know. And cilantro, okay? As well as onions. This is 3 pounds of onions. And we're going to be mixing this up in the Ninja with 100% pure olive oil, okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm using the large picture from the Ninja, okay? This is the blade. So we're going to put it on here and lock it down. And I'm going to bring this over so you can see better. There we go. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is add some 100% pure olive oil. We're going to just pour 1, 2, 3, okay? So we're going to put some on so it's laying on the bottom to help the blade move. And then we'll put some more in between, okay? Alright, so let's start with some onions. You have to do this in batches because you're going to have it all in, okay? Red peppers. My garlic, let me rinse it. Okay, so now we're going to add our garlic. I already rinsed everything else. And then the cilantro. So let's try to make room for the cilantro. Okay, now we're going to add some more oil on the top. Let's lock the top down. Okay, now we're going to put this on, let's go with Boost, the strongest we can get it. So you see the cilantro have not worked its way down, so I'm going to help it. We're going to pour all of this into one bowl and then mix it. That way we get a good mix all the way around, okay? Okay, I just want to rake off the sides. Okay, I think we're good. So I'm going to take that out and show you. Give me a second. Okay, here it is. Let me show you this. Let me put it this way. Okay, that's about how the texture you want. You don't want it thick, but you don't want it watery. Okay, alright, so we're going to keep going. I'm going to do the next batch. So the idea is to make you a big batch if you want, and then you can put it in containers and freeze it. That way you don't have to deal with this for maybe 3 or 4 months, okay, and you have what you need. Okay, so let's try that one more time. I'm going to put the olive oil in, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to put the onions in. You always put the hardest thing to the blade. So I'm putting the onions in first. Okay, I'm going to put my garlic in. The peppers. So I'm going to let that work down, and then I'm going to add the cilantro. More oil. I'm going to add my cilantro. Okay, so I'm going to finish this batch, and I'm going to make the last batch, and then I'll bring you back when I get ready to put it in containers, okay? Because you get the idea now, okay? Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, it's all in here. Now we're going to just mix it up so it all becomes one blend. Remember, if you buy it in the store already made, it's a green color because they use all green peppers. But due to the sickness going on nationwide, I needed to use the red peppers to get the benefits to offset the sickness and the virus. Okay, that's what it looks like. Sofrito. How about that, huh? Okay, so now we're going to put it in containers and put it in the freezer. Don't go all the way to the top because it's going to freeze, so it'll expand, okay? Let me wipe this off. So that's what it's going to look like. You notice I didn't go all the way to the top. I left a little room, okay? And then you're just going to cover it, put it in the freezer, and you're good to go. Now if you don't have freezer space, then you might want to cut down the amount that you make so that you can accommodate yourself. You can also keep it in the refrigerator, but it's not going to stay in the refrigerator forever without spoiling. So, you know, in the refrigerator you're probably talking maybe a week and a half. Okay? Okay, so now you know how to make Sofrito. Yay! Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. Okay, so the word of the day is be frugal. And what I mean by that is, you know, you got to be mindful and figure out how to stretch your budget, right? So if you cut up green peppers, onions, garlic, and you put that in a dish, well, that's going to be all gone because it's all in one dish. But if you do this process, you'll have it all in abundance, and then therefore you could still put it in the dish, but it's going to go a lot further because it's down to a the machine broke it down, like ground it down to the point where now it's going to stretch more. So that's what I mean by be frugal. That's the word of the day, okay? Be frugal with everything, everything. All right. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, and check out my links below if you would like to contribute to this YouTube channel. Okay? Until next time. Bye-bye.